Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best heavy-duty snaps is probably one of the most overlooked components when working with canvas. These small but mighty fasteners are essential for ensuring the longevity and functionality of your projects, whether you're crafting outdoor gear, repairing tents, or working on custom tarps. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of heavy-duty snaps, exploring the key features, materials, and considerations to help you choose the perfect snaps for your canvas needs. Number 5. CENOZ 150 PCS Canvas Snap Kit. This kit is made of marine-grade stainless steel, ensuring superior rust and corrosion resistance. It's designed to last, even in harsh environments like saltwater. This kit is a great choice. These canvas snaps are perfect for a variety of projects. You can use them on canvas, tarps, tents, awnings, clothing, leather, and furniture. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The studs are designed for easy clamping onto screws or canvas studs. The heavy-duty construction ensures a firm grip that will remain secure for years. It's a reliable solution. The package includes 50 screws, 50 sockets, 50 caps, and 2 setting tools. It also comes with a transparent plastic box for easy storage and carrying. Everything you need is included. If you have any problems or questions about the product, please contact us. We are committed to solving any issues and ensuring your satisfaction. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit is made with marine-grade stainless steel, ensuring superior rust and corrosion resistance. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making it incredibly versatile. If you're working on boat covers or outdoor projects, this kit's durability and ease of use make it an excellent choice. What people say. Redoing my cover on my patent boat worked great. These are easy to put on and they seem to hold together tightly. The snaps work great. Number 4. Hapden Snap Fastener Tool Kit with 100 snaps. Introducing the Hapden Snap Fastener Tool Kit. This kit is designed for easy and efficient snap installation. It's perfect for repairing various fabrics. With this kit, you can skip the hole punches. The Hapden Snap Installation Tool includes a punching die, allowing you to complete projects with one tool. It comes with 100 sets of 4-color canvas snaps. Install snaps without removing items. This kit is easy to carry and helps repair canvas covers, tarps, boat covers, and more. You can fix things anytime, anywhere. The Snap Fastener Kit body is phosphate galvanized for wear and stain resistance. The dies are heat-treated for robustness and durability. The adjustable design provides greater leverage. The vice grip system makes it easy to crimp the two pieces together. This tool makes the job simple. These canvas snaps work on materials up to 3 mm thick. For thicker materials, please check out other options from Hapden. What we like. This kit stands out with its comprehensive set of tools, including a punch die for all-in-one projects. It allows for efficient installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a complete and robust solution for canvas repair, this kit's durable construction and ease of use will be a great choice. What people say. I installed some snaps to replace worn-out Velcro on a raincoat hood storage flap and front pockets. I'm very happy with the result. The snaps are medium strength and just right for this application. I've even made use of it a few times now for items that didn't already have a snap, and the hole punch feature works great even through multiple layers of fabric. Easy to use once you get the knack for it, no tools needed to change the different pieces. Having the magnet to hold the piece in place is amazing. Number 3. Meifuly Marine Grade Stainless Steel Canvas Snap Kit. This kit from Meifuly is a complete solution for your canvas needs. It includes everything you need for DIY projects, making repairs easy and efficient. Made with marine-grade stainless steel, this kit is built to last. It's designed to withstand various environments, ensuring long-term durability. The kit includes 90 caps, 90 sockets, 50 fabric-based studs, 50 posts, and 40 screws. It also comes with a hole punch and setting tools, all neatly organized in a transparent box. The included hole punch makes creating clean holes simple. The setting tools further streamline the installation process, making it user-friendly. Perfect for canvas, tarpaulins, tents, and more, this kit is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It's your go-to solution for various DIY projects. Meifuly is dedicated to providing high-quality products. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit includes a material hole punch, speeding up the installation process. It's made of marine-grade stainless steel, which will last long. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a complete and easy-to-use kit for various projects, this one is designed for you. What people say. These work so much better than the ones they replace. The cheap ones were made of below-grade metal that deformed with little pressure. So far this product has worked great. Nice to work with, and the various sizes and types make relacing easy. Item works as intended. Number 2. Stainless Steel Snap Button Kit. This snap button kit includes 160 pieces, perfect for various projects. It's designed for long-term use, ensuring your items stay securely fastened. Made with brass and nickel-plated for durability, this kit offers superior rust and oxidation resistance. The stainless steel components guarantee a secure grip. This versatile kit is suitable for canvas, clothing, leather, and more. You can use it both indoors and outdoors, making it ideal for many applications. The studs can clip onto screws or canvas studs for easy mounting. The heavy-duty construction ensures a secure hold, even after years of use. We are committed to providing the best shopping experience. If you have any quality issues, please let us know. This kit is designed for materials under 3 mm thick. What we like. The snaps are made of brass and nickel-plated for added durability. The kit is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you need a reliable and versatile kit for your canvas projects, this one's secure grip and durable materials make it a great option. What people say. The snaps are easy to attach, maintain a strong connection, and look good when applied. Easy to install, very sturdy snaps, look clean and work well. This was easy to use and worked very well. Number 1. BetterJonny 15 mm Stainless Steel Snap Fastener. Introducing these heavy-duty snap fasteners. They are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring excellent corrosion and rust resistance. This makes them perfect for various applications. This set includes 60 sets of snaps, with each set containing a socket, cap, female snap, and male snap. It provides everything you need for your projects. The snap caps have a diameter of approximately 15 mm. This size is suitable for a wide range of applications, from canvas to clothing. These snaps are ideal for repairing or replacing items like canvas, tarpaulins, and awnings. They are also suitable for garments such as jackets and sportswear. Please note that installation tools are not included in this kit. If you need snaps with tools, please check out the other listings. They will help you get the job done. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring good corrosion resistance. It's ideal for repairing and replacing various items. If you like a kit that offers durability and wide application, this one is a great choice for your needs. What people say. After installing around 200 or so snaps today, only about 5 didn't turn out perfectly. Works great for doing all types of items. As the owner of a custom canvas and upholstery business, it is important to have good stock on hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.